Kayo po, madam.
But,
Negosyante po kayo, madam sponsor.
But it
Would you do
doesn't
that?
solve the legal problem of
I'm not
Masumi.
talking about madam sponsor. I'm not talking about the legal problem.
But in the end, you have to be legally correct.
I know.
You are a businessman. Everything should be legally correct.
Well, some shrewd businessman may be. Yung mga tusong businessman may be.
Hindi.
Would you like us to bring Masungi here? Or even make a phone call? Tawagin niyo Masungi. Would somebody call Masungi? Right here, right now. Mag-alamanan kung sinungaling, DNR o Masungi. Kung gusto mo, magpaano pa tayo? Lie detector test.
Where?
Polygraph test para malaman kung sino sinungaling. Pwede bang paki-identify po, Madam Sponsor, kung sino po yung dalawa sa picture na binilugan? This was an event in Rizal.
Governor Inales will.
They are stakeholders operating in Rizal, and they were invited by the governor of Rizal to do
To do what?
discuss a joint project with all the stakeholders.
Joint
of
projects.
Rizal. Yes.
Can the good sponsor tell us exactly who these two people are, their names, and then what their who they represent,
They are.
and what are the kind of business that they do, that they own?
They cannot recognize the other one, but the one is a quarry operator.
Quarry operator. Thank you. And the other one is?
They do not know him.
Okay, well, I'll identify the second one. Estelle Marie Rebancos, an officer of Montalban Aggregates Producers Association.
So quarry operator also.
Exactly. In 2022, DNR ordered the suspension of the quarrying permits of the large-scale companies allegedly encroaching on the Masungi G Reserve in Rizal, including the Rapid City Realty and Development Corporation, Kim Song Limestone Incorporated, and Quarry Rock Group Incorporated, owned by Angelita Lee, who happens to be in the picture. Sinuspindi po ng DNR ang quarrying permit ng mga nito, and yet, inibitahan sila dyan sa Project Transform. So out of delicadeza, bakit po sila nandyan? Ba't sila naimbitahan?
As I mentioned, they were invited by the governor of Rizal, stakeholders of in Rizal. Hindi ang nag-imbita sa kanila, DNR.
Yes, di po ba dapat bilang secretary ng DNR, tinatanong niya, karapatan niya itanong kung sino-sino ang magdadalo sa isang pagtitipon?
But they canceled. You canceled.
Inside.
That's a DNR event, actually.
Inside.
So, ang DNR must have the call kung sinong imbitahan at sinong hindi. Hindi naman event yan ng governor eh. Event po yan ng DNR. So, ang DNR dapat ang gumagawa ng guest list. Hindi po si governor. Kahit na halimbawa inibitahan ni governor, pero pwede naman tablahin ni DNR secretary. Sabihin, I don't want that two persons invited because may mga problema sila. Nasuspindi namin yung kanilang mga permits, and then I don't want to be mixed with those two individuals.
Rapid City company inside the Masungi Reserve was canceled in 2023 because
Thank you.
it's inside the protected area.
Tama po.
Italy, who is operating outside, is still operating.
Yun nga po, Madam Sponsor, Mr. President. Nagkaroon ng event ang DNR. Now, siyempre, ang DNR may control doon sa guest list, doon sa mga taong imbitahan nila o hindi. Okay, sinasabi ng DNR, those two people were invited by the governor. Pero,
The governor of Rizal.
exactly. Pero sila pa rin may control kung sino ang papupuntahin nila o hindi. Regardless
Okay.
kung invited the governor because that's an event of the DNR, that's not an event.
My dear Senator, when the governor is inviting people, the DNR cannot stop the governor.
No, but
That's the reality of life in the Philippines. Like for me, if I am in Las Piñas and the mayor of Las Piñas will invite people, I cannot say that, look, I don't like these people. You don't do that.
no, ma'am. Kasi kung ako po ang nasa sitwasyon dyan at ako po ang secretary ng DNR, ako po ang may call kung sino yung mga guest na papasok. Pwede ko pong harangin yung mga taong ayaw kong papasukin regardless kung yan ay kasama ni governor. Siguro naman may mga PA siya o EA na magsasabi sa kanya, sorry po Gob, wag muna natin siya isama kasi may problema po yan.
The governor cannot do that.
Well, I thought...
I mean,
Nandiyan
I'm a
po ba yung governor?
politician. You don't do that when you're governor.
Well, I'm also a politician, but
yeah,
I have the right.
what's good is that the Rapid City was canceled because it's inside a protected area.
I know.
Italy was not canceled because it's operating outside the protected area.
Madam Sponsor, Mr. President, ulitin ko. At sasabihin kong dahilan kung bakit ko pinakita yung picture na yan.
Mhm.
Nagkaroon ng event ang DNR. Project Transform. Now, before I proceed, nandyan ho ba si Gob? Si Governor Henares? Nandyan po siya? Okay. Exactly. So, bit-bit ni Governor. Pero, if I were the secretary, meron naman siguro karapatan magsabi, Gob, pwede ba? Huwag mo muna natin isama yung dalawa. Magkakaroon tayo ng picture taking at baka magkakaroon ng kulay out of delicadeza kasi may problema yan. Ayaw ko makahalo-bilo mga yan dito. Siguro naman si Governor magsasabi, of course, kasi event nyo ito, gagalangin ko yung request mo. I don't think the governor would say, no, hindi pwede, bisita ko to eh. I don't think the governor would say that.
Don't think the governor will say that, but
Exactly.
in his mind, he cannot say, like if you're a constituent in the province, you cannot say it directly to your constituent. Oo.
So that
Kahit
means,
na gusto niyan sabihin, hindi niya,
yes, so that means the governor has a say on environmental regulations.
not
But if-
necessarily.
Therefore, may karapatan ng DNR na tumanggi kung sino yung mga bisitang ayaw na papasukin niya sa event nila. Because that was a DNR event. Now, sasabihin ko kung reason kung bakit. DNR is set to cancel the contract of Masungi Georeserve Foundation Incorporated over Marikina Watershed. They might have the right to do so legally, but morally, no. Some people will say that. They have the legal right to do it, but it is not in accordance to good practice. Sisibakin nyo yung Masungi and then papasok ng Project Transform na kasama dyan ay itong dalawang mga grupo na sinuspindi ang permit ng DNR. At hindi man lang inibitahan yung mga taga-Masungi sa gathering na yan.
No, Italy is operating outside Masungi.
Kaya nga po,
The other one lang is operating inside Masungi, and their permit was canceled.
Yes, Madam Sponsor, Mr. President. Meron ho bang invited dyan ang taga-Masungi?
Meron. Kung may invited daw doon taga Masungi.
They were invited, ma'am, but they didn't.
Bukod sa hindi invited yung Masungi, wala rin pong representative na indigenous tribe leaders and watershed NGOs.
They said that this
They were not
is,
as well invited. Ang imbitado lamang, yung dalawang personality na binanggit ko, na meron pong problema sa DNR, mismong DNR na nag-cancel ng kanilang permit in 2022.
this is a transdisciplinary approach towards natural reserves, conservation, and resilience through multi-stakeholder collaboration. So,
Disciplinary.
nag-invite po sila dun sa Masungi, na taga Masungi, hindi nagpunta, pero yung IPs may nagpunta.
No, they were not invited, Madam Sponsor. Now, you did mention about disciplinary so-and-so. So, dinisiplina itong dalawa at inibita matapos sila disiplinahin. If they were disciplined, then they should not be there in the first place. Why were they there? Bakit po hindi inibitahan yung Masungi? No, Masungi wasn't invited. Not even the indigenous tribe leaders, maging po yung mga watershed NGOs. Ang in-invite lang yung mga nasuspindi o sinuspindi ng DNR.
Yun na invite.
Sinuspindi ang mga permit dahil sa quarrying.
Ang ito lahat na invite.
Lahat po yan. Pero ito po yung guidance.
They have a list of those invited, and one of them is the indigenous people mandatory
Nasa po
representative
paki-point out?
in Tanay, Rizal.
Saan po dyan at anong pangalan po ng mga indigenous people representatives? Saan po? Can you give me the names? Madam Sponsor, Mr. President?
Oo. They will give the attendance record to you, the list of the attendance record to you. You will be furnished.
Kasi nga po, Madam Sponsor, Mr. President, sana man lang, out of courtesy and respect sa Masungi, they should have been invited. Kasi nga po, yung Masungi Geo-Reserve, napakaraming awards po natanggap yan. Since 2016, Model for Balanced Man-Nature Interaction, World Conservation Congress 2016. 2018, Special Commendations, Pathfinder Award, Innovations for Conservation, Financing and Resourcing. 2020, Top 5 Finalists, Win-Win, Gothenburg Sustainability Youth Award. 2021, Winner Vanity Fairs 2021, Changing Your Mind Travel Awards and Hollywood Issue. First place, Water Change Maker Awards 2021 Global Water Partnership. Warriors of the Year, Esquire Man of at his best 2021. Heroes and Mavericks. 2022, United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. Awardee Forbes 30 Under 30 Asia 2022. Winner International Union for Conservation of Nature. World Commission on Protected Areas 2022 International Ranger Awards. Winner Sustainability Initiative Award. Bet Asia Awards 2022. 2024 Asia Pacific Social Innovation Partnership Award held on May 4, 2024 in Taiwan. Impeccable record meron po itong Masungi. And yet, ang DNR is set to cancel their contract. Like I said, they might have the legal right to do so. But hindi man lang nila kinonsider itong awards na natanggap na Masungi. Therefore, they're more than qualified na
But there, the land is a protected area owned by the government. It cannot be given to any private entity.
how about a Project Transform? Project Transform would benefit from the knowledge and experience of Masungi already has.
Yeah.
Kung tutuusin.
But they
They should
cannot
have been
own the
invited.
property.
I know po, Madam Sponsor, Mr. President. Kasi yung experience ng Masungi, pwede pong magamit ng Project Transform. Mapapakinabangan po ng Project Transform itong experience at itong magandang records ng Masungi. Kayo po, Madam. Negosyante po kayo, Madam Sponsor.
But it
Would you do
doesn't
that?
solve the legal problem of Masungi.
I'm not talking about Madam Sponsor. I'm not talking about the legal problem.
But in the end, you have to be legally correct.
I know.
You are a businessman. Everything should be legally correct.
Well, some shrewd businessmen may be. Yung mga Yung mga tusong businessman maybe.
Hindi. Kasi
Pero pag
yan
hindi
daw,
tusong negosyante,
based on
hindi.
the history of Masungi, they were granted that to build socialized housing during the old times. You have to go back to the history. They did not build socialized housing. They built what do you call this? A resort. And that is not the original intention of the Masungi Geo Reserve. Oo. So, in fairness to our government officials, they cannot allow something illegal because they will answer for it in the future.
So ito pong mga member ng Project Transforms, ito po ay mga violators. So aren't they considered as
Oh,
illegal?
inimbita daw nila, hindi nagpunta.
Hindi po inimbita ang Masungi. No, Masungi was invited. We talked to Masungi. Would you like us to bring Masungi here? Or even make a phone call? Tawagin niyo Masungi. Would somebody call Masungi? Right here, right now. Magkalamanan kung sinungaling, DNR o Masungi. Kung gusto mo, magpaano pa tayo, lie detector test,
Where?
polygraph test, para malaman kung sino sinungaling.
Of the Masungi Rock.
Meron ba kayong pinadalang sulat?
The Masungi Rock Management Council was invited and Masungi Geo Reserve is part of it.
Well, show us proof, like letter of invitation. Kasi siyempre, pag in-invite sila, hindi naman verbal lang yan. Yan po'y pinapadala sila ng sulat. Nasaan po yung sulat na they were officially invited, not just verbally? Can you show us?
Yeah.
Where is it?
Right. Invitation natin sa council will kayo rin provide pinahan.
We will provide you the invitation to the council of which Masungi Geo Reserve is a member.
No, what I'm saying is a letter of invitation which
Yes,
would
they're looking
indicate
for it.
that they were officially invited. Without that letter, parang hearsay lang, na-invite kahit na hindi. At siyempre, sasabihin ng Masungi, we weren't invited. At sasabihin po ng DNR, yes, you were invited. So, paano natin malaman kung sino nagsabing totoo o hindi? Dapat may invitation letter and then we receive.
Mr. Tulfo, Senator Tulfo, they have a copy of the invitation.
Can we see that?
Forward it to you.
Okay?
Oh.
That's good enough.
Hindi lang nila dala ngayon, but they will forward it to you.
Now, moving on. Next time naman kasi, kayo dyan sa DNR, pag meron kayong mga project, gawin nyo naman malinis po yung mga project ninyo. Gawin nyo naman pong malinis po yung mga intent ninyo kapag kayo po'y nagsibak ng mga grupo. Ayos nyo naman po. Huwag naman yung parang lokohan para sa akin. I'm sorry for the word. Kasi para sa akin, Masungi should have been invited. Tingnan na natin itong award, mga award na natanggap nila. Isn't this enough? Aren't these enough? These awards? International awards ito. Hindi yung award lang na hausyaw na dito lang gawa-gawa ng kung sino-sinong grupo. These are international awards, well known. Groups.
They should be included, but in the end, you cannot give a land owned by the government to a private.
I'm no longer, Mr. President, Madam Sponsor, I'm no longer questioning that.
Yeah.
Pass na tayo dyan. Ang sa akin lang, yeah, sabi ko nga, they might
They will give you the invitation. It's just that it's not with them now, but they will send you.
And then on top of that, babalik ulit tayo na sana hindi nila in-invite yung dalawang sinuspend nila yung permit. Now, sabi nyo kanina, you did mention na yun ay isang gathering ng disciplinary something. Can you repeat again? It's a gathering of disciplinary...
Multi-stakeholder collaboration to rehabilitate the area together with LGU. The stakeholders plan and identified projects to be implemented.
Na-mention niyo po kanina, Madam Sponsor, Mr. President, yung word disciplinary.
Transform.
Can you mention that again?
Ito, transdisciplinary approach towards natural resources conservation and resilience through multi-stakeholder
Exactly.
collaboration.
Exactly. Dinisiplina nyo itong dalawang kumpanya itong dalawang tao dahil violator sila and yet you invited them.
Baka mahilig mag-attend.
I'm sorry, Madam Speaker.
Meron kasing mahilig mag-attend. Merong ibang hindi mahilig mag-attend.
Ayun, sino po yung mahilig mag-attend?
Siguro itong dalawang to mahilig mag-attend.
Exactly. Thank you. I rest my case.